Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So, in this video we are going to make Brickometer. So let's start. To make Brickometer, first we need to go to code.org. After going to code.org, we need to sign in. After signing in, we need to click on create. Then apply. Now we need to go to design. Take a label, drop it here. Change the width and height of the label. Now we need to type here Brickometer. Now we need to scroll down and change the font size to 30. Now we need to scroll it here. Yes. Now after writing it, then we need to go to Google and type the Brickometer and take this picture. And now we need to change the width and height of the picture. Width to 300. Let's take the height to 200. Okay, now we need to drop it here and then scroll down and then click on this contain and let's click on cover. Yes, now it's perfect. Okay, now we need to take a ABC label and drop it here. Now scroll up and change the width and height of it. Let's take it to 100 and height to 40. Okay, now we need to type out the text height. Okay, now we need to scroll down and change the font size to 30. So let's change the width because it's not coming. Okay, now it's perfect. Now we need to take a text input and drop it here. Change the width of the text input to 180. Now we need to drop it here. Then we can name its ID as bricks. Okay. Now we need to scroll down and change the font size to 15. So let's check. Okay, this is perfect. Now we need to take one more time ABC label and drop it here. Yes, now drop it here. Now change the width and height of it. Now change the height. Now let's change the position and take it here. And at the text we need to write bricks on every side. Okay, now we need to change the font size to 15. It It's looking small, so let's take at 18. Okay, this is perfect. Now we need to take a ABC label one more time and drop it here. Scroll up and change the width of it to 100. It's looking, so let's take at 200. No, it's looking very much big, so let's check at 180. Yes, now it's perfect. Now let's change the height to 40. Now let's take that. Yes. And now we need to scroll up and empty it and change the font size to 20. Now we need to one more time take a label and drop it here. And then change the width and height of the label. Now height to 40. So it is not coming, so let's decrease the height of this picture to 150. Okay, this is perfect. So let's take it at the up. Take it here. This also here. Take this here. And this also here. Then take this text here. And now we need to change the font size to 16. Now we need to type out the text total bricks. Yes, now we need to take a label one more time and drop it here. And we need to change the height and width. Let's take it 200. Okay. Now let's take height to 35. Now let's take it up. Scroll down and change the font size to 16. Scroll up and empty this text. And now we need to take a button and drop it here. Let's take it at the this also okay. Now we need to change the width of the button. It's looking very much big. Check at 105. Now at the text we need to type here calculate. Calculate. Change the position. Yes. Now we need to go to code. And now we need to go to variables. Take a var x is equal to block and drop it here. And at this empty we need to type here 0. Now we need to go to UI controls. Select the on event block and drop it here. Click on this ID and select here button 1. Now we need to go to controls and select this first block for 1 and remove this. Now we need to go to math. Take this block and drop it here. Here we need to type I. Now we need to go to UI controls take this get number block and drop it here. Click on this ID and select here bricks as bricks is this. Now we need to go to variables. Take this x is equal to block and drop it here. Now we need to go to math and take this plus operator and drop it here. And now here we need to type x plus I. Now we need to go to UI controls. Take to set number block and drop it here. Yes. Now we need to click on this ID and select here labeled or 2. Now we need to select here label 4. Okay. Now we need to type here x and we need to click on this ID. Scroll down and select here label 6. And now we need to go to math. Take this multiply operator and drop it here. And now we need to select here x multiplied by 4. So let's check is it working or not. Run. Let's check the height at 100. Calculate. Okay, it is working. Now we need to click on reset and rename it as Brickometer. So I will also give this project's link in the description box. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.